Good morning. Bore da, croeso i Gymru. I'm out doing a local one today. No wild camp, just a day walk. I haven't been to Moel Famau for about 7 or 8 months, so I thought I'd bring you along for a little walk. Well, I'd say little. I'm aiming for anywhere between 6 to 10 miles. It's a beautiful, crisp winter's morning. -4 starting out. It's nearly 9 o'clock. So let's see what fun we can have today. Little squirrel in the tree. It is lovely round here. What I like about this walk is it's only 20 minutes to drive here, if that. Yeah, about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. Starting at Cilcain. There's a free car park next to the community centre. And then it's just a nice steady ascent up to Moel Famau. You take the ridge. I say ridge. You join the Offers Dyke path at the end of this road, and then you take that ridge line up to the summit where the Jubilee Tower is. And what I like about this route, normally always very quiet. Don't tend to see many people this side of the hills. Only the odd local maybe. It's bloody lovely. Bit of a cloud inversion over towards Cheshire. Helsby Hill in the distance, poking out on top of the clouds. Oh, look at this. Truly is beautiful. And we haven't even got to the best part yet, where you can see for miles all around. That's coming up. Remains of an old settlement and a bench dedicated to Edgar. Look at this for a view from there. Stunning. Here's one of the local reservoirs. One of 3 little lakes or ponds heading down the valley back towards Cilcain. And there's another one the other side of the hill as well. I'm expecting it to be really cold up on that top. I'm expecting a little bit of a wind chill as well, but I'm prepared. Got my layers, got my gloves, got my ice, little, not crampons, little fit over boot ice thingies, majiggers, I know what I mean. So we're coming up to the junction now where I join the Offers Dyke path, where this little area offers some of the best views of North Wales. Look at that. So you can see the Berwyns, and then if you scan round you can see Arenig Fawr. That's the Berwyns. Beautiful. More to see yet as well. Canadai covered in snow. Beautiful. I wish I'd have bloody gone there now. That was the original plan. Oh well, I'm down that way next week. You'll have to watch that vid. Gonna be epic. Couple of fell runners. Beautiful morning, absolutely stunning morning. Yep, love it. Got the final bit of a slog. There's two paths you can take. One is less steep to the right that zigzags, or you got the one that's more steep to the left, which looks a bit less icy. So I'll weigh it up when I get there. But I'll be breathing at me hoop halfway up, that's for sure. Always do. Right, come on. Frozen caterpillar. Last little bit. So here we are, Moel Famau in the Jubilee Tower, 555 metres above sea level, the highest hill in Flintshire, highest hill in the Clwydians, and the highest in North Wales, barring the ones in Snowdonia. Beautiful though, again, absolutely beautiful. Not many people out and about walking today. Temperature would put some people off of it. When it's on the doorstep and you're blessed with views like this, it should give you the push to get yourself out. It is, it's just immense. We're so lucky to have this on the doorstep. There's a lot of worse places you could live. beautiful. There's Cilcain back through the tree line. White houses. There we go. So I've decided to make the route a bit longer. It's probably going to end up being about 9, maybe 10 miles at a push, give or take. It's only 10 to 11. Got plenty of time yet. Not to rush to go home and I've still got views like this. Beautiful. So looking back up to Moel Famau now. So I started out on that ridge line, took the path up. Now I'm making my way back to Cilcain. I'm taking the lanes now. Just wanted to make it a little bit longer. It's pleasant enough. Right, Cilcain, here I come. I think I'm going to end the video here, peeps. There's not much more to see. About a mile back from Cilcain now, and still nice and quiet. It's lovely. It's just up there, I gotta go. Weaving through the lanes. Anywho's, diolch, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you tune in. It's gonna be epic. See ya. Take care. Adios.